channel. Today we bring you a segment on celebrity car collection. Today we bring one of the iconic celebrity car collection. Shakira's car collection, a look inside her garage. Shakira's garage has been keeping some serious secrets. You know her as a global music icon, but you've probably never seen her passion for horsepower and luxury, a passion she's been stashing away in her private collection. Well, today we're taking you on an exclusive tour to reveal every single car, from her practical daily rides to a jaw-dropping supercar you won't believe she just gave away. With a net worth estimated around $300 million, her taste in cars is just as impressive as her music. Her collection is a wild mix of sophisticated German engineering, brawny American innovation, and cutting-edge electric speed. Let's get into the incredible fleet of one of music's biggest superstars. Let's look at the cars Shakira might actually use for everyday errands. Kicking things off is her most modest ride, a Seat Leon, valued at around $20,000. It's a smart, reliable choice that proves even international pop stars need a sensible car sometimes. Next in the lineup is her stylish Mini Cooper, a famously fun and compact car that's perfect for navigating busy city streets. When she needs something a bit more rugged, Shakira has a Jeep Wrangler. This legendary off-roader typically packs a 3.6-liter V6 engine with about 285 horsepower, ready for any adventure she throws at it. And to round out her practical choices, she owns two Autos, a Q7 and an A7 Sportback. These cars are prime examples of German luxury, blending family-friendly comfort with serious performance. The German powerhouses. This is where things start to get really fun. Shakira clearly has a thing for German muscle, starting with her BMW X6. It's a luxury crossover that has the sleek look of a coupe but the utility of an SUV, with powerful engine options that can push out well over 300 horsepower. Crown jewel and the shocking move. Now, for the crown jewel of her collection, a Mercedes Benz S Class. Worth around $125,000, this is her most valuable vehicle. The S Class is the definition of automotive opulence, featuring powerful V8 and even V12 engine options that can produce over 600 horsepower, all wrapped in one of the most luxurious interiors on the market. But what about pure raw speed? For that, Shakira looks to American tech. She owns a Tesla Model S, the quickest car in her entire fleet. The Plaid version of this all-electric sedan can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mind-bending 1.99 seconds.